Hi, my name is Natalie Palmer and I'm with Gemini Industries, and I'm here to take a few minutes to explain to you what we do. At Gemini, we manufacture a complete line of interior and exterior wood coatings as well as direct-to-metal rust preventative coatings. Our stains, touch-up products, and sealer top coat combinations range from 680 VOC to as low as 275 VOC and even some 0 VOC products. Some of our most popular product offerings for PPG are as follows: 200-0010 550 VOC and the U8080 680 VOC white pigmented sealers. These white pigmented sealers were developed to be both durable and fast drying, along with having excellent sanding characteristics. Both products are ready to use for airless spray application. Clear pre-catalyzed lacquers. This product line represents the intermediate step between water clear lacquers and conversion varnishes. This line is water clear with UV inhibitors and meets KCMA performance requirements. It is a great line for cabinets and bathrooms. The TWP line of preservatives and protectants. TWP was developed for use on decks, fences, pergolas, log homes, and any other exterior wooden substrates that you are looking to protect from water and UV damage, as well as wood rot. Did you know that Gemini offers a PPG product guide that covers our complete line of products offered to you? The guide has product lines broken down by VOC and product category and includes the GEM product number cross-reference for every product. This brochure is available in hard copy as well as electronically, which includes hyperlinks to the PDFs and SDSs from the Gemini website. Please reach out to your sales rep or Gemini customer service representative today to get your hands on this valuable tool. From order entry to order arrivals, here at Gemini, we pride ourselves on doing our very best to provide you with a superior customer service experience. Thank you for taking a moment to allow us to share with you the Gemini product family. We sincerely appreciate your business and being a partner with you.